we just rocked up to Oyster Bridge here in 20 minutes out of Coral Bay. We've gone from Exmouth and we've chosen to go down the off-road track. Very corrugated. But it was worth it because there's a lot of scenic things to see on the way. We are going to stay one night in Coral Bay because it's a bit expensive, but never been here, so I feel like we need to see it.
Yeah.
Since we're here.
World Heritage listed, didn't know that?
Nope. World Heritage listed. How good's that? But yeah, we're just going for a walk down the coast here, just by the Oyster Bridge. And yeah, we'll keep you updated, but so far, good start to Coral Bay. It's looking good. Look at all the caravans.
They'd be raking it in here because it was not cheap to stay.
The way they put the caravans and campers in the caravan parks is like
sardines.
They're right next to each other.
Yeah, we're just going to spend the one night here and then go snorkeling somewhere because you have to. Get up nice and early before it gets really busy. Look at all the people. Ridiculous. But anyway, everyone's enjoying themselves, we're enjoying ourselves. It's going to be good. Yeah, you sound like a neg.
Broke my rule, my number one rule, always let the tyres down when you go on off-road track, no matter what. Got about 100 metres in and I thought, better let them down. These things here, I actually stole them off a mate, so sorry about that, mate. But they work a treat, just chuck them on, straight down to, I think it's 18 PSI I've got them set to. And they just work awesome. You just chuck them on and you just wait. Voice break. That's done. Shit. Got to the Blowholes at Quabba. Holy crap. Morning guys, we've arrived in Shark Bay last night, yesterday arvo, and we stayed one night in the caravan park here. We're going to stay another night, but because the weather said it was going to be cloudy and rainy.
Yeah, it was supposed to be, well, it was supposed to be cloudy all day and raining this afternoon, but it's what, like 10 o'clock now and there's hardly a cloud in the sky. It's beautiful.
It's turned out really nice.
We're gonna go over to Monkey Mire today instead.
Hopefully we can see some dolphins today as well.
Yeah, you can pay, I think it's like $15 each to watch them do the feeding.
Yeah.
But I don't think
I reckon we'll just try and spot some dolphins from somewhere else.
So we're at Monkey Mia. It turns out that we do have to do the touristy stuff because we had to pay the entry fee to get into our caravan park anyway. But we paid it, so we're going to go see the dolphins tomorrow morning. And now we're just going for a walk along the beach until we're allowed to check into our site.
It's pretty nice. Tide's down
It
here.
is really nice, and the weather is amazing, so I don't know what the weather app was talking about.
Yeah.
It's hardly even windy on the beach right now. At least now we get to do some touristy things.
Just going to check out the fishing spot here at Monkey Mia. Might catch a dewie. Just sussing it out, you know.
I'll tell you what you're gonna catch, mate.
Putting the feelers out.
Nothing.
But yeah, you know. Taking a stroll down the beach at Monkey Mia and got some friends here with us. How good's that? Righty, we just went and saw the dolphins down at the beach there, Monkey Mia.
We weren't expecting to see so many because we thought we'd have to go to the feeding thing.
Yeah, but it turned out better, less people.
Yeah, we weren't in the mood to be around a big crowd of children before
crying
puppies,
babies. So that was an experience, that was wicked.
Yeah.
I'd recommend that to anyone. That was awesome.
Worth the $30 that you had to pay to get into the park.
Yes, it was worth the $30. Righty, just pulled up to Big Lagoon. It's about 40 minutes out of Monkey Mia. It's all unsealed roads and you have to let your tyres down, but it's definitely worth it. Whenever you can see, yeah, it's just a massive lagoon. Try and get the drone up, but it's pretty windy and cloudy, so I'm not prepared to lose another drone.
Especially considering that would mean
Hey?
especially considering that would mean losing the GoPro as well.
Yeah, so what we've been doing is it MacGyver?
Yeah.
I've MacGyvered it. And I've been sticky taping the GoPro to the front of the drone. So, just to get that footage, you know. Got to get the footage, mate. So yeah, if we lost the drone, we'd probably lose the GoPro as well at the same time. On a nice day, I reckon that water would be just so blue, eh?